your weekly workouts designed to help you be strong, be mobile. Do us a favor, don't forget to subscribe to our channel below so you get the latest workouts as they're posted. Today we're going to do a nighttime stretch, and it's the perfect way to show our bodies some love after a long day. I recommend doing this about 20 minutes before bed, so you've got a chance to kind of shut your brain off, calm your nervous system down, and just get ready for a good night's sleep. So if you can, turn any unnecessary devices off, a TV, a cell phone, anything that doesn't have this video on it, and then if you can, dim the lights a little bit so we get all unnecessary distractions out of the way. Let's get started. First up, let's just take a deep breath up, really reach towards the sky, and then bring it back down. One more time. Bring it up. Really stretch up towards the sky, and then back down. Now we want to open up our chest. So what we're going to do is, if you have the flexibility, clasp your hands together behind you. Otherwise, you can just do grab your elbows just like this, whatever feels comfortable. So for me, I'm going to grab my hands, pull them down, and reach my chest towards the sky. Really feel that stretch, releasing everything in our chest. Remember, breathe and bring it on down. So let's get our neck moving a little bit. I forget to do that at work sometimes. So drop your chin, ride your t-shirt line to the left, bring it up, over to the right, and down. Keep going. Really feel what's going on in your neck. And back down. One more time to the left. Bring it up. And to the center. Now let's go to the right. So drop your chin. Look to the right. Up to the sky. And over to the left. Right, left, one more time, around, and you're done. So now, we spend so much of our day kind of in this forward head posture. We really want to loosen up the muscles in our neck. So we're going to take your hand and put it up on your collarbone, looking straight ahead. And all I want you to do is slowly tilt your chin up to the sky. Only go where you feel safe here. And if you can, you might want to tilt your chin over to the side as you lean back. And slowly bring it on down. Again, only go where you feel safe here. If it's your first time doing it, you might feel different on both sides. It could be different every day, so just take it slowly. So now let's go to our left side. Looking straight ahead as you put your hand on your left collarbone. And then slowly tilt back. And look to the side. And slowly bring it on down. Awesome job, guys. So now we're going to loosen up our wrists a little bit. We spend, if you have a desk job, we're constantly typing with our hands like this. So what we're going to do is take your left hand and put your thumb on your top of your right wrist. And you want to try to, as you're doing this, keep your arm from flipping to the side, or keep your wrist from flipping to the side. And you want to think that you keep your fingers straight, everything straight, and we're just going to, kind of like a wrist roll, but it's not, because you're keeping your fingers straight. Do not let them bend. And this is a really small movement, especially if it's the first time you've done this. We're going to go one more in this direction. And then take it to the other side. What this does is it just brings blood flow to your wrist joint in a way that just a standard wrist roll doesn't, because you're keeping your fingers straight, you're developing a little bit more control here, which is really hard to do in the wrist. Let's do one more time, and switch to the other side. So I'm gonna take my right hand, put my thumb on my left wrist, keep my fingers straight, and we're gonna go in, down, and around. If you hear crackling, that's okay. It's pretty common. Mine are popping right now. Just really take it slow, controlled. One more time around. And I can tell my left wrist is a lot tighter than my right, so that's an indicator that you might want to get a little bit more work in on this side. So it's a good assessment tool. So let's take it to the other side. Up and over. Nice and slow. And one more time. There you go. So now let's reach up to the sky one more time. Take a breath at the top, let it out, and you just want to fold down to the ground, wherever it's comfortable for you. And we're going to take a seat. Okay, so now we are going to stretch our sides a little bit. So put your right hand on the ground, left arm goes up. Reach over just as far as comfortable for you. If you can, tilt your chest up towards the ceiling, lean. And if you're really flexible and you have the range, you can put your elbow on the ground. And just remember to breathe through this. And feel what's going on. Stretch it all the way down your side. And let's bring it up. Switch other side. Left hand on the ground. Right arm comes up. Wow, that feels good. Tilt the chest, look up towards the ceiling, and reach with those fingers. If you can, bring it down to your elbow, and reach. And breathe. And come back up. Next, we're going to do something called a figure four. So, essentially, you're making a figure four with your legs. Your right leg is going to extend out. Your left leg is bent to whatever is comfortable for you. You want to have a minor bend in your right leg. You don't want to have it all locked out. And we're just going to lean forward. Really feel the stretch in your hamstring. You can play around with pointing your foot, flexing it. If that's comfortable for you, that's really going to intensify the stretch. And you want to think like you're reaching forward with your chest. Reach. Come on up, and let's switch sides. So left foot out, right leg's bent at our knee, and then on our left leg, we've got that knee a little loose. Here we go, reach forward with the chest. Again, you can play around with pointing your foot. That'll stretch out your shin a little bit more, or you can flex it. Ooh, definitely feel that in the hamstring. Breathe, and come on up. Now we're going to lay down on our backs, and just bring your knees to your chest. This is where you can focus on breathing a little. You're going to roll from side to side, massage out the bottom of your back. If you sit all day, oh, this is going to feel good. Do a couple more times. Explore what feels good here. And release your legs. We're going to go down to the ground. We're going to do a little breath work. We forget to breathe a lot during the day. So what happens a lot is we breathe in our chest. What I want you to do is think about breathing through your belly. So put your hand on your belly and breathe in for 4 and really push all that air. Give yourself a big belly full of air for 4. And out for 8. In for 4. Out for 8. In for 4. Through the nose. Out for 8. One more time, through the nose. Out free. So thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this stretch. Gives you a good night's sleep. Give it a try. And thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time. Be strong, be mobile.